What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new Nia rears on this Lexus is500. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the new Nia rears. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F gray. And you can also get them in hydro dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. Four, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. Five, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. With the purchase of the Nia rears, you're going to receive all your support screws and clips. For this installation, you're going to need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car. Make sure you get rid of any road debris that you got stuck underneath the bumper. When doing the installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. Now that the car is all wiped down, this is when you get the clip remover, and you're going to remove the factory clip that's on the corner. Now that you remove the factory clip, you're going to use that same hole, but this time using the clip that we provided to you to hold up the rear spat. Now that the clip is holding up the rear spat, this is when you use the support screws to self-tap into the bumper. If you're using a drill, make sure not to over-tighten it. You might strip the plastic bumper. Now that all the screws are in halfway, this is when you're going to go back with the stubby Phillips screwdriver and hand tighten every single one of them. That way you prevent from over tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus is500. If you have any questions, please comment below, give us a like, share, and we'll always get back to you guys. Thanks again, guys.